So I've been up to all sorts of fun things as of late, including more crocheting. Ooh, made some new tops. I've made a bunch of bikini tops previously for a bunch of my girlfriends in a range of colors that you guys saw in my previous crochet video. These are some more interesting, different, complicated patterns that I tried that really came across really well, and I'm excited to share with you guys. Now, that said, some of them, I've made quite a few things. Some of them I'm not going to be keeping, so I will start listing some of them on my official store soon, and may also start taking custom orders from people who might want something fun and crocheted, because a lot of you, my model friends, have been asking about that, so that will be coming soon. But this is just to share with you some of my exciting, fun adventures that I have been up to while using just yarn and a crochet needle. It's kind of fun thinking I can make things. So without further ado, I will show you the 3 epic new tops that I have made. They're pretty fun and pretty interesting, so I hope you guys are going to like them. Don't forget that you can see extended versions of these try-ons on my Patreon for the teasy kind of fun stuff, or on my OnlyFans for the extended extra fun stuff. Alrighty. This one is super fun. This is my Pineapple Express shirt, or that's what I've decided to call it. This is perfect for if you're away on vacation, or if you've got too much sun the day before and you're going to go out again. This kind of just provides a little bit more shade for your upper chest area if you're trying to keep it out of the sun. And it's just playful and fun. So it is an upside down pineapple, which is really cool and fun. And it is just awesome. I really, really, really like this one. I wanted to try a different pattern, and I liked the idea of just a little bit more coverage in case I was wanting something different. The bottom's got really fun frills on it as well, which just adds a little extra to it. Now the back is kind of like a bikini, but kind of not. As you can see, I made a small just because I know I fit a small. I could have made the cups a little bigger for myself, but I like it the way it is. The back crisscross and ties, which I really like and think that's fun and playful, so why not? This one is super fun. And of course, coral, which is one of my favorite colors. How could I not? This one is fun. Bikini-like style, but more for, you know, after you're done the beach. It's more the evening, but you're not ready to put on a shirt just yet. I love crochet because it's kind of a little bit see-through if you look at the right angle from far enough away. This one is super fun. I made it a little bigger in the cups than I have for most of the bikini tops I've made, just because I was looking for something that would have a little bit more coverage so that it would be a little bit less risque depending on where I wanted to wear it. I made the bottom a little thicker so it's more like a top than just a bikini. And of course, a playful kind of soft, bright pink color because I love pink and why not? This I would love to pair with like a beautiful little white skirt for a sunny stroll, or, you know, maybe that day after sun tanning. This would be something I could wear in the evening with like a little shawl. It's fun and playful. Okay, this one is my absolute fave, gotta say. This one I saw a picture of on Instagram, and I recreated it just based off the picture, which I'm quite proud to say, go me. This one is extra fun because it's low cut with, I love the little corseted tie in the front. I also added some awesome little metal ends to my ties, which I think is a nice little feature. It covers great, but is interesting and fun. The back is all crisscross, which I like, kind of like a corset. And it's shiny. I love shiny things, so yep, had to make this one shiny. And I'm in love, 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 love. Like beyond, this is totally my favorite. Like the most favorite, I've got to say. Which, of course, now, since I wore it out one time, all my girlfriends want this one now. So I think I'm going to have many a project, no matter what. So no worries, I'll have lots of crocheting from now until the end of time. So which one was your guys' favorite? Comment below. I'd love to find out. And if you're a girl, which one do you think you'd be most comfortable to wear? You guys rock. Thank you so much for encouraging me to have fun, do what makes me smile, and share with you some epic fun things. Don't forget to click my subscribe button, and please check out these videos on the screen for more epic funness I know you're going to love. Cheers for now.